As we embark on the journey to unravel the complexities of our world, we encounter two essential categories of information that serve as the cornerstone of wisdom and enlightenment. One category finds its strength in the world of figures, exactitude, and measurements, giving birth to a quantitative basis for analytical investigation. The other category delves deep into the territories of significance, interpretation, and the human experience, providing a qualitative lens that enhances our perception. These two unmistakably separate facets of data occupy a central position in sculpting our understanding of a wide array of phenomena, and it's often the interplay between them that uncovers the most profound and comprehensive insights. In this delicate dance between numbers and narratives, we unlock a richer tapestry of knowledge, revealing the profound intricacies of the world we inhabit. Hi everyone! We will be going to discuss the types of data, the qualitative data and the quantitative data, and also the types of quantitative data, the discrete and the continuous data. So now, let's begin. What is qualitative data?
Good day, everyone. So today we will be discussing about qualitative data. So first, what is qualitative data? Qualitative data has its origin in the social sciences, particularly in the fields of anthropology, sociology, and psychology. It emerged as a method of gathering and interpreting data that focuses on understanding complexity of human experiences, behaviors, and interaction. This approach aims to capture the subjective aspects of human life that cannot be quantified. It refers to non-numerical information that is descriptive in nature. It often involves attributes, characteristics, and properties that cannot be measured with numbers. This type of data is gathered through methods such as interviews, observation, and case studies, and is typically used to gain insight into underlying reasons, opinions, and motivation behind certain phenomena. It also refers to information that is descriptive in nature and is not easily quantifiable. For example, could be the responses collected from open-ended survey questions where participants share their opinions, feelings, or experiences in their own words. Another example could be in a study about customer satisfaction. Qualitative data could include the customer's feedback about their specific likes and dislikes regarding a product, services, or overall shopping experience. These responses may not be quantifiable, but they offer valuable insights into customers' perception and preferences. What do you think about qualitative data? So when we say qualitative data, its ability to provide deep understanding, context, and insights into complex human behaviors, attitude, and experiences. It often used to complement quantitative data, enabling a more comprehensive analysis and interpretation of research findings. So here's an example scenario illustrating the use of qualitative data. In a research project aimed at understanding the impact of remote work on employee well-being, a team of sociologists conducts in-depth interviews with a diverse group of employees from different industries. Through these interviews, they collect qualitative data, including the employees' personal accounts of their work from home experiences, challenges they face in maintaining work-life balance, and the strategies they employ to stay motivated and connected with their colleagues. This qualitative data allows researchers to identify common themes, patterns, and coping mechanisms, offering a comprehensive understanding of the intricate dynamics between remote work and employee well-being. So, thank you for listening.
Next to be discussed is all about quantitative data.
Hello everyone! Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of numbers, measurements, and the powerful insight they provide. Get ready to uncover the secrets of quantitative data. So now, let's proceed to the another type of data, the quantitative data. What exactly is quantitative data? So, quantitative data represents measurable quantities, allowing us to perform various mathematical operations. It refers to numerical information or data that can be measured and expressed with numbers. These are data obtained through counting and measuring. Think of your height, weight, or the temperature outside. These are the perfect examples of quantitative data. They provide numerical values that we can count, measure, and analyze. Another examples of quantitative data are the number of siblings, speed of a car, number of students in a classroom, amount of shirts in a drawer, income, the test scores, price, and time. Imagine you own a retail store. Every day, you track the sales of various products. This sales data is a perfect example of quantitative data. It includes the number of products sold and their corresponding prices. In this scenario, quantitative data helps you analyze which products are the best sellers, calculate total revenue, and adjust your inventory based on customer demand. By examining these numerical values, you can make informed decisions to optimize your business. Let's consider another scenario: a school gathering data on student performance. Data here includes exam scores, attendance rates, and the number of extracurricular activities each student participates in. By analyzing this quantitative data, educators can identify struggling students, measure the impact of different teaching methods, and even assess the correlation between extracurricular involvement in academic success. It's all about using numbers to enhance learning experience. So now, let's proceed to the two types of quantitative data: the discrete data and the continuous data. Let us talk first what is discrete data. Discrete data is one that assumes a finite number of values. Values are obtained through the process of counting. Discrete data consists of individual, distinct values that can be counted and do not have any intermediate values. Imagine you are organizing a birthday party. The number of guests attending the party is a perfect example of discrete data. You can count the exact number of guests: 10, 20, 30, and so on. Each guest is a distinct separate entity, making it discrete. Another common example of discrete data is the outcomes of rolling a six-sided dice. The possible values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Each roll results in a specific distinct number, making it discrete. The example given earlier in the quantitative data, the number of siblings, number of students in a classroom, amount of shirt in a drawer. So these are examples of discrete data because they are obtained through the process of counting. Thank you, and the continuation will be discussed by Ms. Mariah Indong.
Hello everyone, I am John Mariah Endong, and today we will learn more about continuous data. Continuous data refers to a type of numerical data that can take on an infinite number of values within a certain range. Unlike discrete data, which consists of distinct, separate values, continuous data can include any value within a given interval. It is often measured in a scale and can include decimals or fractions. Examples of continuous data include height, weight, temperature, and distance. In statistical analysis, continuous data is analyzed using various methods such as calculating means, medians, and standard deviations. Continuous data is essential in many fields, including science, economics, and engineering, where precise measurements are necessary for accurate analysis and decision-making. Understanding continuous data is important in statistics because it allows for a more detailed and accurate analysis of measurements. In elementary statistics, students learn how to collect, organize, and analyze continuous data using various techniques such as creating histograms, calculating measures of central tendency like mean and median, and determining measures of spread like range and standard deviations. These skills are fundamental for interpreting real-world data and drawing meaningful conclusions. In elementary statistics, continuous data is like having a super clear lens to look at things. It's essential because it helps us see the finer details in our observations. Imagine measuring the heights of students in a class. Continuous data lets us use exact numbers like 5.5 feet or 6.2 feet, not just whole numbers like 5 or 6. This precision is crucial because it gives us a more accurate picture of the class height variation. With continuous data, we can understand things in more detail, helping us making a better decisions. Think of a continuous data as the zoom button on a camera. When you want a clear, detailed picture, you use the zoom to focus on specific aspects. Similarly, in elementary statistics, continuous data give us a sharper focus on the information we're studying. Whether it's measuring temperatures, distances, or weights, having precise continuous data helps us analyze things more accurately. It's like having a magnifying glass for numbers, allowing us to explore and understand the world with a greater clarity. Certainly, continuous data can be found in various aspects of our lives. Examples are in height measurements, measuring the height of individuals in a group, where heights can be 5.6 feet or 6.2 feet or any decimal value in between. Temperature readings, recording the temperature throughout the day in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, including values like 22.5 degrees Celsius or 68.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Distance traveled, measuring distances covered such as 3.4 miles or 7.1 kilometers during a journey. Time duration, recording time intervals in hours, minutes, or seconds like 4.5 hours or 30.2 seconds. Precipitation levels, measuring rainfall in millimeters or inches, including values like 12.8 millimeters or 0.5 inches. Volume of liquids, measuring the volume of liquids in liters are gallons such as 1.7 liters or zero point 0.4 gallons. Reaction times, measuring the time it takes for a person to react to a stimulus in milliseconds like 250.6 milliseconds. This example demonstrates the diverse range of continuous data in everyday situations and scientific measurements. Continuous data can be measured with great precision, making it valuable for detailed analysis and decision-making processes.
Qualitative and quantitative data are like two sides of a coin that provide a comprehensive view of real-life situations. They are essential tools for understanding, interpreting, and making informed decisions in various aspects of life. In business, for instance, quantitative data helps measure financial performance, sales figures, and market trends, while qualitative data dives into a customer feedback and preferences, shedding light on the why behind the numbers. Similarly, in healthcare, quantitative data, such as lab results and vital signs, combines with the qualitative data from patient interviews to form a more holistic diagnosis and treatment plan. These types of data are also critical in education, the legal system, and environmental studies, where they contribute to a deeper understanding of complex, multifaceted issues. In everyday life, a balanced blend of qualitative and quantitative data allow us to see the big picture, bridging the gap between cold, hard numbers and the human experiences and motivations that underlie them.